Well, hey there. I do a quick little eye tutorial today. Why not? So I got a few new colors, 2 new colors really. Oh, by the way, my name's Liz. If you haven't seen a tutorial of mine before, I do lots of full face makeup, eye tutorials. You know, come check me out if you like what you see. Like it, share it, save it, whatever you want. And DM me if you ever need any more information on the makeup I'm using. So let's start off with, I'm just gonna use my highlight color today to get into my palette here and add a little bit of, just a little bit of a primer to my eyelid here, because I haven't done that yet. Okay. And I'm gonna start off with London as my base color, and I'm gonna use my eyeshadow brush. You can also get any of these brushes through me too. The company I'm affiliated with is amazing, and these eyeshadows are thebomb.com. So London, I'm just applying into the crease and above the crease. Always keep your eye open when applying eyeshadows so that you do not tuck it all into the crease. I'm also dragging it right under my eye too, just to kind of give a little bit of a liner. Okay, tap off, blend in. This is the fluffy end. I'm also holding back on my brush just to give the lightest touch. If you are a little higher up on your brush, you can find that it's going to give you more concentrated color. But we're just starting out with the base color, always working from the outside in. That's at least how I like to work it. I don't know like what the real rules are, like true makeup artists do, what they're taught in school. If you're a true makeup artist and you're watching this, plug your ears. I'm just showing you how I do it. Okay, so we've got London on. Oh my God, so pretty, I love it. Now, I got this handy dandy cleaning tile too, where I can just rub my brush into it. I don't need it right now because I'm going into a darker color. So I'm gonna tap into Midnight. I'm gonna use, actually, let me use the smudgier end. Let me use the smudgier end of my brush. Tap off. This is gonna be really, these colors are highly pigmented, so you're not gonna need a lot, a little bit's gonna go a long way. I'm gonna go into the crease right above my lash line here with this color. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I'm loving it. I'm just kind of swirling it around. Also gonna drag this down, and I'm only gonna go about halfway in. See, just about to there. Oops, just only tapped in the wrong color. Silly me. Okay, do the same thing on the other side. Into the crease a little bit, a little above the crease. I hate it when my light does that. It screws up a perfectly good tutorial. Going right above the lash line a little bit. Only, I got a little bit far there. Only about halfway is where I wanted to go, so we'll fix that, we'll blend it out. Under the eye too. And it's okay if you're outside the lines. I don't mind outside the lines. And when I say lines, I mean the outside of your eye. Just a little smudgy there, and that's okay. Ooh. Poke myself in the eye. If you've been with me a minute, you know I do that almost every eye tutorial. Now I'm taking the fluffy end and I'm just blending, blending, blending. So you blend, 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 and then blend some more. That's the best way I know how to tell you to do it. Okay, now I'm gonna use this handy dandy cleaning tile, and we're gonna go into this really pretty shimmer color called Gigi. These are all of the purple feels today. And I'm just gonna start and go right over. Hang on, let me get some more on my brush. I don't think, sometimes I don't get enough on my brush, and these shimmer colors just don't like to adhere if you don't have enough on. Or you could use your finger. You can also wet the brush to get a little bit more. Look at my mirror. So I'm just doing right above the lash line with that color. Not getting crazy. I'm just adding a little shimmer over top of our base color, and I'm kind of starting in the inside and just working my way out to the outside. And we're gonna work a little more on with one last color before we're done here. You can also put a little on the inside corner if you want, underneath. It's a pretty shimmer purple. Okay, now you really need to clean off your towel because we're gonna go into Unicorn, which is like a bright white. has some flecks of some other stuff in it, I'm not sure. So let me just tap into, oh, thank you. It's delicious. A little drink, snack from my husband. He's so thoughtful. Okay, so let's get back. So now I'm taking this color unicorn and I'm putting it on the end here. I'm just gonna pop that right in the corner here to just give a lot of brightness and pop in the corner of my eye. Okay, same over here. Oh, that light. Anybody that does camera work, I don't know. If there's anybody out there that knows why that happens, please tell me, because I flipping hate it. Okay, and then I'm gonna also take unicorn, tap it off. We're gonna go right up here on the brow bone. A little bit there, a little bit there. Okay, flip your brush over, and we're just gonna blend that out a little bit. I don't like it to be super white and such a stark difference. I do in the corner, but not up here. Okay, let me add a little mascara and I'll be right back.